Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 8, C is 16 and D is 68. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's recall that what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent, a power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. So both has similar precedence. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first we have to solve the bracket. So in our expression, we have this bracket, which is 12 divided by 3. So first of all, we have to solve this one. And this becomes 4. 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. And we have another power which on 4. So we will write as it is this power. And here this part we will write as it is. And we will give the reference 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. Now move forward according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. Now we have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So now we have this expression which has the order of operation. So we have 4 plus 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 4 4 is 16. Multiply by 4 and divided by 16, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16, right? Now we have solved these two rules. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication. So now we have to see the division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first of all, we have to see which is coming first. First we have the 16 multiplied by 4. So we will multiply both of them and we get the answer is 64. And divided by 16, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 16 multiplied by 4 equals to 64. Now, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to fall again left to right for division and multiplication. So now we have the division, which is this one. So we will write 4 plus 64 divided by 16 equals to 4. So here we have to give the reference 64 divided by 16 equals to 4. And now we have two terms which are adding each other. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 8. If you see answer list, answer B is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.